What's going on, beautiful people? It's me, Marlon. Guys, welcome to another video from me. I was just sitting around. I was thinking as always, and I wanted to continue our conversation about making money online, working from home, or starting your own business. But first, guys, I got something to get your mind going a little bit. I want to see if any of you guys know the answer to this question. I'm not going to give the actual answer until enough people have seen it to give you guys an opportunity to put the answer in the description area if you think you know it, right? And here's the question, guys. What is it you can go up the chimney with it down, but not down the chimney with it up? What is it you can go up the chimney with it down, but not down the chimney with it up? I'm going to see how many of you guys got your thinking caps on today. You can answer that question, right? Hey, whoever answers the question right, guys, I'll give you those 30 emails I'm talking about, valued at over $2,500, guys, by an 8-figure earner. Put it that way. Okay, guys, let's get into today's video. Let's talk about making money from home. Let's talk about working from home. Let's talk about how to start your own business, right? Now, guys, you already know, hopefully, that the how-to industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry, okay? The how-to industry. You can make money hand over fist showing people how to do a particular thing, right? How to lose weight, right? How to get your first acting audition, right? How to work from home and make money, right? And so today, guys, I'm always talking about, I'm going to simplify this whole how to make money online. When I talk about it, and as we continue the conversation, I continue to try to simplify it as much as I can. To break it down in its simplest common denominator, right? So if we know how-to products are amongst a billion or part of a multi-billion, if not trillion-dollar industry, guys, then how do you have or create your own how-to product that you can sell and market to other people? Well, good news, guys. The fact of the matter is, unlike myself when I first got started, you don't have to go out and try to create your own how-to informational product, guys, okay? Because now, guys, thanks to the beauty of the World Wide Web and other internet marketers who are way more tech savvy than me, or actually going out and actually outsource this stuff, we can actually automate our how-to information problem solving business slash system. So what do I mean by that, guys? What do I mean you can automate it? Well, you can automate it, guys, right? You can sell how-to money-making information to other people, and they will pay you handsomely for it. I'm going to say that again. You can sell other people's how to make money information, products, services, business opportunity. You can market it and promote it and make money hand over fist. Well, you're going to say to yourself, maybe, how do I do it? Right, guys, listen. With everything that I do, I actually give you guys the license to sell the actual information that I'm selling. So you don't have to go out and try to put together your own product, right? Your own how-to product. In this instance, how to make money online, how to make money working from home, how to make money offline. I'm talking about video training, instruction, tutorials, the whole 9 yards. It's going to show you, right, how you can start doing it. What do I mean by that? Well, you got the information. You're going to have that, right, with the click of a mouse. Now, you're going to also have the system, right? Let me explain to you guys what I mean. Guys, when you click this Get Instant Access button right now, I'm going to unlock the free video training along with the instant payment method, right? That automated how-to information problem solving system. And you can market that and you can sell it to other people, guys, and make money. Does that make sense? That's all this make money working from home thing is all about, guys. It's showing people how to, right? Right? How can I make money from home? I'm going to show you how, right? And here's the beauty of everything that you get to learn whenever you work with me with anything that I do. You get the video training. You get the tutorials. You get the blocks of instruction. You get invited to the Facebook groups. You get invited to the masterminds. You get the replicated websites with the follow-up emails, the whole 9 yards. So you can instantly be in the how to make money, right? The how to money making billion-dollar money-making industry, because that's all that's going on here. All we're doing, right, is selling information to people, guys. Really, you're just selling information to people. But in this instance, along with the system. Now, why would you have a system to sell information to people? Because if you have a system to sell information to people, it's easy for people to access it. It's easy for you to get paid. It's easy for them to do it, and then that's what's known as replication and duplication. And if you got replication and duplication, you can create exponential growth and leverage in your business. So for any of you guys who have not yet seen my instant payment method automated marketing system that does all of the things that I just talked about, it's really your own how-to information business in a box. Because what we do here is we show you guys step by step how to position yourself. Let me back up. How to strategically position yourself in front of the 200,000 plus brand new people coming online and the 2.5 million people offline who are looking for ways to make money working from home, whether it's online or offline, right? How many times, guys, have I said, if you show enough people how to get what it is they want in life, you can get what it is you want in life. It truly is reciprocal. And the how-to industry in and of itself, guys, and we could go on and on and on about the how-to information you can sell, right? We're not even going to get into that. Right now, we're talking about how to make money from home. How to make money from home working on your computer. How to make money working from your home on your computer, online or offline, selling information, okay? Selling products and services that are rolled into what I consider one of the greatest business opportunities that I've seen in a while. Okay, so again, guys, I don't know where you're finding me. If you're finding me on YouTube, there'll be a link in the YouTube video description area. Click that link. That link will take you over to my instant payment method and that VSL, that actual video presentation that will explain more about this how-to money-making problem-solving system. If you guys are finding me in any other way, there'll be a get instant access button right below the video you're watching, and then that will take you guys over there as well. I always appreciate you guys for opting in. I always appreciate all you guys who are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Look, guys, when I talk about the fact that we're only really separated, truly separated by just 6 degrees of separation, you guys can prove that for yourself. Because if you got any questions about anything, you can text or email me at itsmarlonobennett@gmail.com if you have any questions about anything that you're about to see. Now, sit back, relax, guys. Prepare yourself. Come to the edge, guys. What did I tell you guys? You came to the edge and you got close enough, I was going to push you. I told you if I pushed you, don't worry about it, guys, because you're going to discover that you can fly. Spread your wings, guys. Go down and access the information. Watch this video today if you want to learn more information about how to make money selling information, internet marketing, online or offline, and the actual automated how to instant payment method. This is actually a system that does all of this for you in complete automation. I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, as always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the inside.